Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video, I will show you 3 methods to take screenshots on your Samsung phone. For the first method, just press the power button and the volume down button at the same time to take a screenshot. As you can see, we have successfully captured a screenshot on our Samsung phone. Just like that. For the second method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center, and from here you will find the option of screenshot in your control center. If you cannot find the option of screenshot in the control center, just tap on the edit button over here, then tap on edit. Now under the available buttons section, just look for the option of screenshot, just like that. Now just tap on it to add it to your control center, then select done. And once you do that, you will add the screenshot button to your control center. Now to take a screenshot, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center, then tap on take screenshot. And once you do that, you will capture a screenshot on your Samsung phone. Just like that. For the third method, just open settings, then tap on accessibility. Then tap on Interaction Dexterity and enable Assistant menu. After you enable Assistant menu on your Samsung phone, a small ball will appear on the screen. Now just tap on it. From this pop-up menu, just select Screenshots. And once you do that, you will capture a screenshot using the Assistant menu. Just like that. And you can find all your screenshots in the Gallery app. Just like that. And this is how you can take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.